Steve Hammis here from Tribeca, where we just witnessed the first ever Cadillac Escalade IQ reveal. So this is a fully electric Escalade. It's going to be priced at around $130,000. It's going to actually go right to the Cadillac dealers in a retail environment. It goes into production later this year. It's massive, of course, but it's not as ostentatious as the regular gas-powered Escalade. And they hope to attract a younger audience with this one. It's going to come with 6, 7, or 8 passenger seating. It's got this gorgeous interior with all kinds of screens, as you would imagine. It's got special seating for workspaces and tray tables and all different kinds of things that an Escalade can do, including, as you can see, a front area. I don't call it a frunk, that you can store stuff in. It's got massive 24-inch wheels. It has 450 miles of range. It's got this incredibly sized 200 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery. Now, for some perspective, our Kona has a 64 kilowatt hour battery. So much like I experienced in the Hummer EV test, this one's going to take a long time to charge. Now, if you are at a DC fast charger, say, that's capable of 800 volts, 350 kilowatts, you'll be able to add about 100 miles of range in 10 minutes. But to fully charge this at home with a level 2 charger is going to take even longer than overnight. If you wanted to take it all the way to that maximum, I'm not saying that's absolutely necessary, but this vehicle, because of the size of its battery, and of course that adds weight as well, it's going to take a long time to charge. Now, my question about the Escalade, which I just asked one of the Cadillac executives, is when you think of the typical Escalade owner, that big ostentatious vehicle, they tend to be a little redneck rich, if you will, right? They've got a lot of money, but their values aren't necessarily simpatico with electric cars. Trust me, I know. I've met a lot of them out in my Kona. They don't necessarily like electric cars. So will they find an audience for an Escalade electric car? I'm going to be interested to see the dynamics there, because that's not typically who they sell these kinds of vehicles to. So anyway, Cadillac is going all electric. This is the third vehicle following the Lyriq and technically the Celestiq, but that's going to be a super limited edition, rare, $300,000 plus vehicle. So here it is. All the sedans will soon be departing the lineup, all the gas-powered sedans, and they will be all electric here probably within the next 5 to 6 years.